Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can get back into the device if for some reason you have forgotten your PIN code. So like I said, for some reason you've probably forgot your PIN code, you never wrote it down, so now you're locked out of the phone. I'll be showing you how you can actually get back into the phone. Okay, so before I actually start the video, you're probably wondering why I've got the blue gloves on. It's because I'm gonna get ready to do some painting right after I post this video. Okay, so all you have to do if you are locked out of the phone and you want to remove the PIN code and get access back into the phone, all you have to do is just hold down the volume down button here and also the power button. So volume down and the power button, keep them both held down. And this is going to force the phone to turn off. Just keep it held. And as you can see now, it's gone into the recovery mode. As you can see. So all you need to do now is press the volume down here on the side, volume down. And as you can see, it says start. So press volume down. Now it says restart bootloader. Press volume down again. It says recovery mode. And then press the power button. Give it a few seconds and the phone will reboot into the recovery mode. And then you will see no command with the little Android guy there. So what you need to do now is press the power button and the volume up button. So press power and volume up. So hold down the power button and press volume up once. And then here, just press the volume down to navigate to where it says wipe data factory reset. So press the volume down, press it again, keep going till you get to where it says wipe data factory reset, and then press the power button and then press the volume down button again to highlight where it says factory data reset, and then press the power button to select it. And now it's gonna do a factory wipe. Okay, so it's now finished doing the wipe. As you can see, it says wipe, data wipe complete. Okay, so all you have to do now, where it says reboot system now, make sure it's highlighted, it should be, and then just hit the power button to reboot system now. And then just give it a few minutes to reboot. Okay, so once it's finished rebooting, you'll have to go through the setup process, just like when you first got the phone. Hold on. So just going to skip all of this and then connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, let me just quickly enter my Wi-Fi password. Okay, so I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi there, and it's going to say getting your phone ready, and then just go ahead and accept and continue. As you can see, it says this may take a few minutes, so you just have to give it some time. Okay, so here you can log back in. Obviously, you forgot your PIN code. That's the whole reason why we had to use this method. So you can log back in using your Google account. You won't be able to use the PIN code because, like I said, obviously you forgot it, and that's the reason why you was locked out. So just select the option here to use my Google account instead. And then here you will need to log back into your Google account. It has to be a Google account that you had previously had synced to the phone. So it has to be an account that you had signed in with previously before you forgot your PIN code. Okay, so I'm just going to enter my details real quick. Okay, so I just entered my details, and from here you can log back in again if you choose to, or you can just go ahead and skip and skip again. Skip, skip. And then choose a search engine. Set as default. And then not now, not now, not now, not now. Hit next, next again, hit next, and then finish. And then go to my home screen. And then I don't want no preloaded applications on there, so I'll uncheck those boxes, then hit continue. And as you can see, I am now back into the phone. So yeah, that's how you remove the PIN code to regain access back into the phone if you forgot your password on the Motorola G85 Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. Also share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.